Moss removal. How to kill moss on your roof. Even the most durable roofing systems can deteriorate over time, but with proper maintenance, like roof cleaning and moss removal, you can extend your roof's lifespan. Follow these 3 simple steps to effectively remove moss on your shingle roof. If the moss is extensive, you may need to replace your roof because the removal process may damage the shingles. Step 1. Hose off the roof with water. The first step is to simply hose off the entire roof with water to make it easier to remove later on. Start from the top to bottom and be sure to control the water pressure to avoid damage. After hosing down the roof, you can now scrub the moss off the shingles. Use a soft bristle brush or deck brush, which is widely available in the market. Avoid scrubbing too hard. If your scrubbing is removing granules off the shingles, stop and get your roof replaced. Step 2. Apply moss remover. After hosing and scrubbing, you can now apply moss remover. There are 2 types of moss remover, dry powder and liquid. Most people use the liquid formula, but both can give you the same results as long as you hose and scrub off the roof first. Step 3. Rinse the roof. Once you've applied the moss remover, you can now rinse the roof. The moss left over should now be much easier to remove. For some stubborn stains, you may want to use the brush again. What to avoid when removing moss from a roof? 1. Avoid using harsh materials. As much as possible, you need to stay away from using high concentrations of bleach and detergent. These chemicals can cause damage to your roofing materials. You might want to check out some organic moss remover to be safe. Number 2. Avoid scrubbing using a hard bristle brush. Using a hard bristle brush may seem to make your job much easier, but this can cause damage to your shingles. Number 3. Avoid using a pressure washer. Pressure washers are too strong and can significantly damage your roof. Pressure washing strips the granules from asphalt shingles. Therefore, it strips away years of your roof's lifespan. Moss infestation can be a sign of a potential roofing problem. If you find any roof problems, call us for a free roof inspection. Call 813-542-8462. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.